So I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I guess originally an artist and sculptor. So my background is fine arts and sculpture and metalworking. And through grad school, I got a little more interested in environmental science and biology. And then from there, I started reading and researching and started working with some experimental materials. I started going to Gen Space classes like way back in 2011, 2012. And I started working a little bit there, and then it just kind of took off. And I started trying things. So everything I heard about, I tried about it. I tried it over and over again until I got good enough at it that I could replicate the same results. And then from there, I started writing workshops. And so I write workshops for both Gen Space and Brooklyn Brainery. I also am teaching for Cooper Union. Um, and I've worked with other various like smaller schools that need curriculum writing. So I've been writing science curriculum for them as well. So what kind of happened as my version of learning science has turned into like a whole way of teaching. So, you know, I'm very hands-on, very visual, you know, especially with the art background. So I wanted to find ways to make science a little bit more easier to understand, a little more hands-on, a little more involved, and then also have real world applications for it. So I call it also like stick in the mud science because it's very direct. And you know, when we're not online and we're all together in the classroom, it's very hands-on. So you know, you'll be working as we're going through it, and I'll be teaching you as you know you're working on things. So it's almost like you're learning biology while you're working with microbes, and I think that's the best way to learn. It's also a natural way that humans learn.